my heart just explode with happiness and knowing that they don't have to suffer anymore. Today we have a surprise rescue. My friend has donated more than we expected. So we can free her, and this is a surprise because we didn't think that it would be this fast. I didn't know that all of my friends are so compassionate and donated the money so fast, and Lek has accepted to care for her for the rest of her life, and we changed her name to Aueng kham. Aueng, no Y. The elephant was okay, Aueng kham was okay, but I was so tired and sweat a lot because we're walking up the hill and then downhill. The walking up was difficult, but Aueng kham seems to be okay because she followed the sugar cane. When she arrived at Elephant Nature Park, Derek and Lek took her directly to the river. She spent probably half an hour, really enjoy herself in the river, clean up, play, drink the water. You know, it's a beautiful sight to see. After taking a long bath in the river, and she seems so happy. And she has a unique way of playing the water, like use her trunk like. Now she's in the clinic taking her medicated bath, and while she's eating, she looks to be very happy and love to be pampered. It's the best thing that anybody can help and can give to other life, other being. It doesn't have to be human to human, but dog, cats, elephants, you know, we give them a good life. Once they learn that the elephant has been hurt and harmed by the hook and chain, none of us are happy. So if we keep communicating, spreading this information, I think, and we have a new business model, which is called volunteerism, that everybody wins. It's a good day, very good day. 2 days ago also the best day in my life because Hom Nuan was the first elephant that my friend and I helped rescue. And this is the second one. Also a lot of happiness, fulfilled, but a lot of gratitude for everybody, you know, who's been helping Thai elephant. Thank you so much. And people whom maybe I don't know them and they don't know me, but they donated the money. And the money has been well spent, 2 lives for the rest of their life. The law has to change. We have to protect the elephants and other animals more than what we do now as a Thai. We have to take action, and you know, we cannot turn a blind eye over animal cruelty or abuses. No.